On February 9th, 2025, police responded to a call of a shoplifting complaint.
Do you guys have IDs?
No.
Okay, well.
We're going to work.
How old are you?
We're going to work.
How old are you?
What is the problem if we're going to work? Like, I'm finna dead ass call my mom. Y'all just checked us.
How old are you?
We're young. We're trying to go to work.
Okay. What is your names?
Tamika. Tamika.
I know you too. Do I?
Exactly, and we don't know you too.
Do I have a job?
You're coming off rude to
Do I
us.
have a job to do?
No,
Yes?
excuse me, sir. He's
Okay.
coming off rude to
That's all.
us. We don't have no bleach. We have to get to work.
What's
the
your
beauty
name?
You want to go kick it in the hood and on 95th.
What's your
The
name?
beauty supply in the hood.
What's your name?
No, because I'm irritated. We're
I got
trying to go to
ID.
work and
What
we
is
get
your
stopped
name?
because we don't have no bleach.
What are you doing? You want to
She's trying to show you.
What is your name? What is your name? Talia what?
Upset 'cause I'm
What is your date of birth?
But that's the call we got.
we have to get to
What
work.
is your date of birth?
It's
too much, bro.
And
I'm
Bedford,
sorry.
Illinois.
Look at me. What is your date of
Mom,
birth?
can you stop yelling at me? I don't
Yes,
like
I
all
need.
that, like,
I don't care if you
ain't
like
never been in
it.
trouble with no law like this. Is
Well, then
different.
listen to me. This is all this bad shit you see online and stuff.
I don't
It all
be
starts
online.
with. It all starts with not listening.
Okay.
Okay. What is
What
your
you gonna
date of
shoot me?
birth?
My,
Hey,
my,
whoa.
We cannot steal that.
Hold
I
on.
don't know. I'm
Don't
can I
touch
talk?
me. Don't touch me.
Or
I'm
what? Or what?
I'm not finna
Don't
go
touch
nowhere.
me.
Okay,
I'm
can you let me go?
Mom,
This coat expensive.
You got nothing else?
Trying to go to work. He talking about something. He
Bro.
talking about some. We went to the beauty supply.
For real. Get out my
All
pocket.
right, that's it.
Yeah, what the
Get-
fuck?
I'm gonna show you the
Shit.
cash out punches. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Come here.
Mike, stop.
You dumb mother.
This is the turning point right here. Up until now, this was still technically a field investigation. Annoying, tense, but survivable. The moment physical resistance or perceived resistance enters the picture, the entire legal landscape shifts. Police don't need proof of theft to make an arrest at this stage. They need probable cause tied to behavior. Once voices rise, hands move, and commands aren't followed, officers are trained to control the scene first and explain later. Question for you watching. At this moment, would you have stayed silent, or would frustration have taken over too?
Arrest her.
Come on, bro. Just go. Go. They don't care. They don't care. Bro, stop. No, chill, bro. We not trying to run or nothing like that. We just trying to figure out, like, I like to make sure she good. Fuck.
Stop.
Oh, stop grabbing me. What the fuck? Put me in a car for?
Here's the
Like,
thing.
get out my pocket.
Here's the thing. Give me. Come here.
Can you get
You're
him
going in cuffs. I'm going in your pockets. Okay. Stand up.
You pulling me. I don't want to get up and
Stand
fall.
up.
Step back.
I'm not doing anything.
Please step back so I can stand up. I don't
Stand
like
up.
being that close to men anyway.
I don't-
Like, uncomfortable. Like, you doing too much.
I'm telling you.
What is this?
You wouldn't know if I told you. You would not know if I told you. I can't keep it. What the fuck?
No, I don't know what this is. What is it? Tell me. What is it?
What's the point?
Bleach?
What's the point of telling you? You wouldn't
All
know.
Turn around. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
This is ridiculous. I'm going back to Atlanta. As soon as I not even from here, like, bro, don't even got no state ID out here. Like, keep getting trouble out here. This shit irritating. You don't gotta do with that BK, like, for real.
In the car. Should be good. All this for what? I have a job to do. What? What is this? Hair what? Is it bleach? Okay. This is the reason why I'm here.
This explanation matters more than most people realize. The officer clearly lays out the legal math. Retail theft under a certain dollar amount is typically a misdemeanor, but once it crosses that felony threshold, here mentioned as over $300, the penalties escalate fast. Fingerprints, mugshots, court dates, and a permanent record suddenly become real. What's important is that intent doesn't always save you. Pricing, store policy, and complainant cooperation all factor in. So ask yourself, should a beauty supply item ever carry felony-level consequences? Or is the system stacked to escalate too easily?
Well, then don't do stupid shit. So let me give you a heads up as to what's happening, right? I'm not sure if you are gonna go in or not right now. Okay, we're gonna have them come over for a positive ID if they want to sign complaints to have you locked up. Okay, if that's the case, then you're gonna go back to the station. We're gonna do the fingerprints. We're gonna do the photographs. If it's just retail, it would just be retail theft for you. Depending on the cost of the bleach, which I don't know how much it costs. If it's over $300, you'll be charged with a felony. Okay. If it's under, you're flat out, you're going to be released from the station after that. All right. As for, is this your sister or a friend? It's your friend? What? Okay. So she's going to jail, or she's going to go to our lockup. And unfortunately, I don't know where she learned this from, but you can't raise your hand to an officer. What did I say? And what did I say when I was talking with you guys? Most of the bad shit that happens comes from not listening, right? You think I want to be dealing with you right now? No, it's a sunny, beautiful day out. I have no interest in dealing with you guys right now. But here I am because I have a call from for service, okay? So here's where we stand. Another bad fucking thing that happens because we're not listening to a law enforcement officer in uniform in a marked squad car. So shit has to change in this country. So I'm going to tell I told your girlfriend, right? Mm-hmm. Same thing, all right?
Excuse me, sir.
What's up?
I was not raising my fist at you. I was trying to pull
You're getting charged.
You off
You're getting
of her.
charged with it. Okay,
but I was trying to pull you off of her.
Yeah, I was. Yeah, no, that's not happening.
Okay.
And even if it was, guess what? Still illegal. Pains me to tell you that. So this is it. I know who heaven is. Okay, got it. Well, you're going in. All right. Now's the time. Did you give me the right name?
Yes.
Right date of birth? Please tell me. Please tell me you gave me the right date of birth. What'd she give you? Oh, she got an ID. Fantastic.
She's claiming that's her sister.
Is this you or sister? You know what? I don't even care. We're charging her with obstruction too. Yeah.
This is where things quietly get worse. Giving inconsistent information, whether intentional or not, can trigger obstruction charges. The law doesn't care if you were nervous, confused, or scared. Officers rely on identity accuracy to control risk and liability. Once an officer believes someone lied about their name or birth date, that becomes a separate criminal offense entirely. And here's the brutal irony. Even if the original theft charge falls apart later, obstruction can still stand on its own. Be honest, how many people watching knew that before this moment?
If it's a different birthday and different name, you're getting charged with obstruction too.
My name is.
It's already done. All right.
It's already on my ID.
Okay, great. The one that you told me you didn't have? Fantastic. You know what? It's okay. Save it for Miranda, because I'm going to read your Miranda when we go in, okay? Then you can answer whatever questions you want to answer, okay? Thank you. And what did I tell you when we were standing together? You just work with me?
Sir, I have bad anger issues. It wasn't no trying to, do this, do that. I have literally, when we get to the station, can I show you my phone, my receipt?
I know your anger issues. You raised a fist to me.
I didn't raise my fist. I was trying to grab your...
Tell it to your lawyer, all right?
Okay.
Because this is my body cam, like you introduce you to it, all right? That'll capture the whole event, okay? Your anger issues are why you are in the situation you are in right now, okay? I don't know if there's complaints or not on this yet, okay? You match the description, she matched the description. You're in proximity to the Sally Beauty Supply. I got a call of service here, okay? I'm going to tell you like I told Heaven. I don't want to be dealing with you any more than you want to be dealing with me, but here we are. I'm in a marked squad car, and I'm a uniformed police officer. You understand that? Okay. Where did you learn to not listen to that?
What you mean not listen? I was trying to talk. You was not.
Step out for
Oh, cool. Yeah.
You wasn't.
I didn't get an opportunity to show you, maybe he did, but I showed Heaven, the reason as to why we were there, okay? It was a shoplifter, retail theft, okay? I roll over. You know where I was? Sorry. I know you don't know. I don't know why I asked that. I was over at Macy's, okay? That's why I got there so quick, okay? When I go through the lot, I see you and I see Heaven. The both of you are matching the description perfect, all right? So I appreciate you stopping, right? But when I stopped you, all right, what did I tell you?
Bleach packets.
Okay, all right, which seemed to be accurate. All right, now I don't know if did you take any bleach? You said you have a receipt for it?
Yeah, I have my cash out receipt. I work in Bedford, Illinois, and I purchased bleach packet because Valentine's Day is coming up. I was purchasing bleach packet to do my hair. When we went there, I originally came there for curling irons to curl my hair. The lady, she was like she was Caucasian. She was like had weight on her. Her hair was brown. She helped us with the curling irons, but they didn't have the curling irons that I want. And the curling iron had like fell out the box, so I picked it up, put it back in there, and I set it down. We was walking out. I was looking at the nails and stuff. They didn't have nothing, literally. But she was following us around the whole store. It was 2 workers that was following us around the whole store. It was other people in the store too.
Yeah.
She took a picture of us. So I came back in. I was like, "Did you take a picture of us?" She was like, "No." That's when we walked out, left it alone because we was gonna head to work. That's when you pulled up and you asked about the police package or whatever.
As far as with the altercation with us, right? There's Bodycam.
Yeah.
I'm not being smart with you by saying it's not going to look good, okay? Because when I went to protect myself, when you raised your right hand to me, all right, this is going to show that your right hand is above your shoulder, okay? And you made a closed fist, okay?
This is the most serious allegation in the entire case. Assault or aggravated battery on a police officer does not require physical contact in many jurisdictions. A raised fist, a closed hand, or a perceived imminent threat can legally qualify if it places the officer in reasonable fear. Body cameras become the silent witness here, freezing milliseconds into evidence. Intent is debated later in court, not roadside. This is where emotion becomes liability. Let me ask you, should fear-based interpretation be enough to justify a felony charge?
Which puts me in fear of, getting a battery. You understand how, if this was the other way around, how would you feel?
The same.
Okay.
I understand.
The charges right now, all right, is the retail theft, all right? It's going to be an ag assault on a police officer, okay, because I can't, and there's a lot of witnesses to that, And then also, if your date of birth or name or anything is different than what you gave me, it's going to be an obstruction. Okay? Again, this is no hard feelings. It's just me doing my job. Okay?
But I was scared. I've never been in trouble with the law. That's why I'm like.
I get it. But we all need to we need to get some common sense as a society again. Like you said. There's nothing about me that tells you that I'm not a police officer. If I'm here doing my job, you gotta listen to me. With these things, these cameras, if you feel like I'm violating your rights or anything like that, you could get a lawyer and sue me later for it. That's a better route to go rather than fight it out with the police and land yourself here. You think that's accurate, fair?
Yeah.
We gotta just realize that. You know what I mean? These things are they tell the whole story, all right?
Yeah.
So, no hard feelings. I respect you. Just, let's get through this. I'm pretty sure all of this shit is still a sign release, all right? Which means you guys tentatively should be getting out same time. You might be a little longer because yours is Yeah, yours would have to be approved for, because it is a felony and ag assault on a police officer. All right. So you might be a little longer, but either way, should be good. All right.
Okay.
All right.
So here's the bottom line. What began as a suspected retail theft escalated into multiple criminal charges. Retail theft for both women, with one facing aggravated battery on a police officer and possible obstruction. The judge will ultimately weigh body cam footage, officer testimony, and intent, but the legal takeaway is clear. Compliance, emotional regulation, and understanding your rights can drastically change outcomes. This case isn't just about guilt, it's about how fast situations spiral. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.